Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy a pizza with Bitcoin in 2025. As the world of cryptocurrency continues to evolve, more businesses are accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of buying a pizza with Bitcoin step by step. First, you need to have a Bitcoin wallet. This is where you will store your Bitcoin and use it to make transactions. There are many types of Bitcoin wallets available, including software wallets, hardware wallets, and online wallets. Choose a wallet that is secure and easy to use. Next, you need to find a pizza place that accepts Bitcoin. More and more restaurants are starting to accept Bitcoin, so you may have several options in your area. You can search online for pizza places near you that accept Bitcoin or check websites like CoinMap to find Bitcoin accepting businesses. Once you have found a pizza place that accepts Bitcoin, you need to create an order. This can usually be done online or over the phone. Make sure to specify that you want to pay with Bitcoin when you place your order. After you have placed your order, the pizza place will give you a Bitcoin address to send the payment to. This address is usually provided in the form of a QR code or a long string of characters. You will need to open your Bitcoin wallet and send the required amount of Bitcoin to this address. When sending Bitcoin, make sure to use the correct address and to send the correct amount. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so if you make a mistake, you could lose your Bitcoin. It is also a good idea to include a small transaction fee to help the transaction process more quickly. After you have sent the Bitcoin, the pizza place will receive the payment and start preparing your order. This may take a few minutes, depending on the speed of the Bitcoin network. Finally, once your pizza is ready, you can pick it up or have it delivered to your door. Make sure to enjoy your pizza and the satisfaction of knowing that you paid for it with Bitcoin. In conclusion, buying a pizza with Bitcoin is a relatively simple process. By following these steps and using a secure Bitcoin wallet, you can enjoy the convenience of paying with Bitcoin at participating restaurants. Remember to always use the correct Bitcoin address and to send the correct amount to avoid any mistakes. With more businesses accepting Bitcoin every day, the possibilities for using cryptocurrency to make purchases are endless.